Hello dear students, I am Sandeep Chaudhary from SU Union Junior College Pune. Dear student, in today's session we are going to learn second poem from your 11th standard textbook, The Soar by French poet Victor Marie Hugo. Dear student, actually this poem written in French and the translation of French into English is done by Torlata Dutt. So let's start. Dear student, the poem The Soar, which is written by French poet Victor Hugo. Now let's learn detailed information about the poet's life. Poet Victor Hugo, he was born on 26 February 1802 and he was died on 22nd May 1885. He is not only poet, even he has written many novels, even he is a good dramatist of romantic movement. And during a literary career that spanned more than 60 years, he wrote abundantly and in an exceptional variety of genres like lyrics, satires, epics. Not only he wrote satires, but even he had written some philosophical poems, some epigrams, including novel, history, critical essays. Even his political speeches are famous among the masses. Even funeral oration, diaries, letters for public and private, and even he has composed his literary work in prose as well as poem, means verse. His work, artwork like Pivot de les Initials and On the View, the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston National Gallery of Art, and the poem Les Contemplations are the among famous poems. Let's focus on the work which is done by Victor Hugo now. Les Miserables, which is a very famous book written by the poet Victor Hugo, which was published in 1862. The Hunchback of Notre, which was published in 1831. And others like The Man Who Laughs, 1869. The Last Day of Condemned, which was published in 1829. Nothing is more powerful an idea whose time has come. This is the good quotation given by Victor Hugo to us. Other quotation like, be like the bird that passing on her flight, while on boughs too slight, feels them give way beneath her and yet sings, knowing that she has wings. To love another person is to see the face of God. So student, these are the famous work done by Victor Hugo. Among them, the most famous work of Victor Hugo are Notre Dame de Paris and Les Miserables. For those two literary books, Victor Hugo got fame and publicity. Students, though the Soar poem actually, which was written in French and translated into English by Torlata Dutt. So now we are going to get information about the translator Torlata Dutt, who is an Indian poet. See, Torlata Dutt, she is a Bengali poet. She is known as Toru. She not only writes in English, even she writes in French. She was born on 4th March 1856 in Kolkata. She is considered to be the first Indian poetess to write verses in English as well as French. She translated dozens of poems and completed a novel before her death at the age of 21. Student, you must learn that at the age of 21, actually she got very short lifespan. She died at the age of only 21. But her poem in English and into French, we cannot forget them at all. Her poems such as Sita, Lotus, Our casuarina tree are well loved. And the poem Soar, which is written by Victor Hugo, and then the original name of the poem is Sassin this similes le sor. And it's translated in translation by Dorota Dutt from French to English. The Sower is a poem about farmer who is sowing seed. He has seen many bad harvests in his life. However, he is so optimistic of having a good crops in spite of student. The farmer was disappointed getting very less crop every year. He has seen many bad harvest in his life, but in spite of, he never give up. So this quality we have to learn student from farmer's life. Actual poem says in this similis le sour, and the translation the sour by Dorota Dutt from French to English. Here it is about farmers' optimism. The poem deals that how farmer gets very low income, gets very less quantity of crop, but in spite of that, in spite of facing many failures, he never quit, he never gave up, he continued his hard work because he believed in himself, he believed in his hard work. As the power of seeds, student, as you know that one single seed can produce 100 seeds, and this power, it is really magical power which is in hands of farmers. We have to salute, we have to respect farmer, because due to farmer and soldiers we are happily living our life. So student, now we have completed information Victor Hugo's life and the poet Torlata Dutt. In next video we will learn the entire poem explanation in detail. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.